Hey guys, Kittl sent out an email today saying that they now had a turbo version and an advanced version. And in turbo, it would only cost 1 credit to generate an image, whereas in advanced, it costs the standard um, 2 credits. So I thought we would get in here today and just mess around with it a little bit and see how turbo compares to advanced in doing certain image generation. Okay, so I have just a few prompts over here that I got ready, and these are pretty basic prompts. They're not anything crazy. So um, let's just grab the first one and see what we get here. Let's paste that in. And the image style, let's go with oil painting. All right. And we are going to use turbo for this. All right. So we're using turbo, which is only 1 credit. So let's give that a shot and see what it does. I'm going to put the turbo output here on the left, and we're going to put the advanced output here on the right, and we're going to compare them when we're done and see which ones we think work the best. That's a very nice image there. All right. The prompt was a landscape scene of a lush forest in autumn, sunrise, oil painting style. I think that came out very nice. Now let's switch over to advanced, where it costs us 2 credits. We're going to use the same exact style, same exact prompt. We're using oil painting as our style, so let's hit generate. Okay, this one's done, and they are both very nice. You know, I'm not sure. There's a little more detail in the advanced, but the turbo mode is still a very nice image. All right, let's try the next one. A desert scene with a cactus and clay pots with a bright, colorful palette in the style of Mexican mural art. All right, so let's take that. Let's pop it in here. I got to tell you, so far I was expecting turbo to be not very good, honestly. So far I'm pretty impressed. Let's see what kind of style we want to use here. I think I'm going to go with digital art. And we are in turbo mode. Digital art, turbo mode. Let's see what we get here. Okay, that's pretty cool. Looks pretty nice. All right, same prompt. Digital art and advanced. Let's see what we get there. All right. That looks nice, but it's really not exactly what I was going for. That's really not the style of Mexican mural art, but it's okay. I mean, it's still a really cool image, just not what I was expecting. All right, let's try another prompt. This one is a realistic lion laying in the tall jungle grass. Photorealistic style is what we want. All right, so let's get this prompt in over here. And we're going to use photography as our style. Oops. Photography, and we are in version 1, or turbo, I'm sorry. Turbo is what it's called now. It was like Gen 1, something like that. Okay, let's pop turbo up here. And that is most definitely a lion lying in the tall jungle grasses. And now let's try it in advanced mode. Photography style, same exact style we used in turbo. All right. Same thing. Pretty nice. I like that image too. Honest to goodness, I wouldn't fall off the fence for the difference here. There's a little more detail in this one, but yet there's not. There's more detail on the foliage and the trees, but the lion himself seems to be more muted, whereas over here we have a lot more detail in the face and things of that nature. All right, let's move on to the next prompt. This one is a realistic underwater scene with a thriving coral reef, natural light reflected in the image. Let's see what we get when we pop this one in. Control V. And we are definitely, let's see, we're going to turbo. Let's see what we got here. Photography, oil painting, acrylic, retro photo. I'm definitely going to go with photography for this one. Okay, this one is generated. This one was the turbo mode. It's pretty nice. Let's take it over to advanced photography. Let's see what we get this time. Okay. Well, all right. It's a nice image, but it looks like it decided to put it into an aquarium on a table for us, which is not at all what I asked for. Okay. All right. Now let's maybe try a couple of these prompts that we already used and do them in different styles. All right. Let's do the underwater one here again. Only this time, let's do it in digital art style. All right, now this will be the advanced. All right, that's not too bad. All right, let's switch over to turbo. Do it in digital art mode for that one. Okay. I really like turbo better for this. The colors are far more vibrant and it looks really nice. All right, let's try this prompt. A landscape scene of a lush forest in autumn, sunrise, oil painting style. Let's do this one in digital art in turbo. Let's see what we get. All right. It's nice and bright. I like that. And then we'll switch over to advanced digital art. Let's click generate. Okay, and this is advanced. This is 2 credits. I think I really like the 1 credit better. Okay, so let's go back up to the top and look at all of these that we generated. All right. I think these 2 are both very nice images. I wouldn't, fall off the fence for the difference. These 2 are both nice. I really like them both for different reasons. But the turbo mode really produced a nice output there. I think I like turbo better for this image, for the lions. And I definitely like it better for this one because it didn't stick it in an aquarium in the house. That's not what I asked for. I just asked for an underwater scene. So I like that one better. And the digital art, they're both really nice for their own reasons again. But I do think I like turbo mode just a little bit better based on the bright colors. And then this one, this was done in digital art, and I still really think I like turbo better. So here was just a quick comparison of the turbo mode versus advanced mode with just a few prompts. I mean, it's going to change what you want to do, may look better with advanced mode rather than turbo mode. You just have to play around with it a little bit and give it a try. I am really happy with it though so far, just with these few little tests. And the great part is it's only 1 credit to generate images in turbo mode, whereas in advanced it costs 2 credits to generate these images. So anytime you can use turbo, I would definitely do it because you're saving a lot of credits doing turbo mode versus advanced. Now I'm sure we'll find some things that turbo mode just can't handle, and for that obviously you use advanced. But overall I'm really pleased with how the turbo mode is generating. So I just thought I'd show you guys real quick, and we'll do a real quick comparison for turbo versus advanced. And you can decide how much you want to use turbo. I know for myself personally, I'm on a paid plan here, and 2 credits for every image goes really, really fast when you're limited to how many you have per day. So I can tell you right now, anywhere I can use turbo mode, I will be using it, just because it saves so many credits for you. You know, instead of, if for instance I used every one of mine every day, instead of doing 50 images, I could do 100 images. So that's a big difference. So I just thought I'd show it to you. Like I said, log into your Kittl, play around, tinker, see which one you like best. Let me know in the comments whether you like advanced mode or turbo mode better. If you tried it out a little for yourself, let me know. I'm excited to find out what other people are thinking about it. So I'll see you guys later, and I hope you guys have a great day.